My bacon ranch pasta salad is made with crunchy bacon, elbow macaroni, cheddar cheese, tomatoes, peas, green onions, and a homemade creamy ranch dressing. The flavor combination is incredible. You are gonna love it. Let's make it. In a small mixing bowl, mix mayonnaise, ranch seasoning mix, and whole milk. Now this dressing is going to appear to be a little runny, but that is okay because the pasta is going to soak all of this up. However, refrigerate this dressing until you're ready to pour it in with the pasta salad. In a mixing bowl, add cooked elbow macaroni pasta, diced tomatoes, peas, green onions, and shredded cheddar cheese. Mix in the ranch dressing. Then add in your bacon. You can serve this pasta salad immediately, but it is best to refrigerate an hour or more before serving. You can find the full recipe and additional cooking tips at aforkstale.com.